guys, we made it to 300 videos. When I first started my YouTube channel, there wasn't very many g.i.joe channels at the time. My main goal of my channel was to share my collection, inspire others, and just create. I like creating. I came up with my tagline from that: collect, inspire, and create. Even my intro song is called Collect, Inspire, and Create. And that was done by a friend. As the plot thickens, you could check out their webpage in the description box. I wasn't very comfortable in front of cameras. Still not really. So my first few videos had texts instead of a voiceover. Here's a look at my cringy first video. Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to Matt's Creative Projects. This is what you can expect to see on my channel this year. And this one was my first DIY video. Hi, I'm Matt. This is Matt's Creative Projects. Today we're making knives from popsicle sticks. Come join me at my desk. I'll show you how. I also wanted to do video comics. This is my first video comic. As I made these videos, it inspired me to come up with more projects. It's been really fun developing these projects. I really enjoy it. I also found it was a good place to share my Goodwill finds. This is my first collection video. I am so grateful for the community that we've built here. I really appreciate every one of you. What I also really like is my commenters giving me feedback on my videos. I really appreciate that. I soon realized that I needed to be humble and take some advice. I started doing voiceover on my videos. Then I started getting comfortable and stepping in front of the camera. This has been an incredible journey for me. It really helped me be more confident. I'm trying to work on my presence in front of the camera, but it's going to take some time and practice. Now let's check out some of those Skinwalker Ranch challenge videos.
There is a ranch in northern Utah. It is considered the epicenter of the strangest and most disturbing phenomena on Earth: animal mutilations, bizarre UFO sightings, and unusual energies that have proven harmful to humans. Now, a new team of dedicated scientists, researchers, and experts has taken over. They are determined to solve the mystery and reveal the secret of Skinwalker Ranch.
The adventure team is needed at Skinwalker Ranch. No. Dude, so do you really think there's intelligent life somewhere out there? Oh yeah.
I also asked if there was any pictures or videos of projects you have done inspired by my projects, and here they are.
What was your first action figure?
I get asked this question a lot. My first 12-inch action figure was a 69 Action Sailor, if I'm correct. He had blonde hair. My brother and I received a full box of G.I. Joes from a family friend, and it had these 2 figures in it, lots of clothes, and a mobile command vehicle. My action figure was the Action Soldier. My brother's was the Land Adventurer. My very first action figures were adventure people.
What is it about the adventure team style that you prefer over modern themes?
I've always seen the adventure team as free agents, like a contract group of some sort.
If you could mass produce and cheaply sell one accessory item that you think every 1/6 scale collector should have, what would it be?
Working flashlights. I always wanted a handheld size flashlight for my G.I. Joes. The ones I use are a bit large for my G.I. Joe's hands, but it'd be so cool to have a G.I. Joe size flashlight.
If technology advanced to the point where you could just imagine an item and the thought would be made real with a 3D printer or automatic sewing machine or similar, do you think you'd still look for things to make by hand and items to recycle for 1/6 use?
I probably would. Creating is in my blood, and I really enjoy making things.
What's a figure in your collection that you're proud of the most?
I'd have to say Darren and Sam. These 2 have been my favorite action figures for a long time. It's always my go-to Joes when I take pictures and stuff.
If you could bring back the adventure team, would you keep it retro styled or modernize it?
I'd make both available. I really like the modern style. I'd love to see a modern style with a retro twist. That'd be cool.
What's your favorite material to use for customs?
Wood popsicle sticks and any small wood items.
What's your favorite find for your figures?
My 1/6 scale compass. It's very hard to find a compass this size. So for the future of Matt's creative projects, I'd like to, of course, make 1,000 more videos, but I'd also like to collaborate with more people. I think that'd be fun. If you're a small G.I. Joe channel and you'd like to collaborate with me, just drop a comment. We'll figure out something. I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing and watching my videos, all 300 of them. I really appreciate you guys. Without you guys, it'd be no use having a channel if there was no viewers or subscribers. I want to thank all my subscribers. I originally wanted to make a list, but that was a very long list. Really appreciate you guys, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Well, in closing, thank you for watching this channel. Be sure to drop a comment, a like, and subscribe if you're not already. I have 300 videos you could check out if you haven't subscribed already. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.